Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make. For this you need the front of the torch light, 3 cardboard strips which length is 8 cm, acrylic color, Fevicol and Fevikwik, and polymer clay, and also thin paper. First I will cover the front of the torch light with cardboard paper. Now I will cover it with white paper. So this is done. Now we have to attach three strips. Now I will cover whole strips like this with white paper. So this is done. Now we have to roll the thin paper. Now we have to roll it like a circle. You can use any kind of brush for rolling the paper. Now I will cover the back. So the handle of the tanpura is done. Now I will make a shape of a hemisphere with polymer clay. You can use any kind of clay for making this. I am using the same method for making the front of the tanpura. Now I will join the handle of the tanpura with Fevikwik. Now I will make very small ball like this. Now I am using brown color for coloring the tanpura. By the way, you can use any kind of color like watercolor or any kind of color for coloring the tanpura. Now I will make some more detailing on it with black color. Now you have to cut sticks in very small pieces like this and attach the pieces on the tanpura like this. Now I will color the all sticks with white color. Now you can make your own design on it. Now you have to take some strings like this and attach it on the tanpura. So this is done. If you like the video, please like and share with your friend, and please subscribe to my channel to get regular notification. Press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.